Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to draw a floral mandala and I will show you some very simple techniques to start off with. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new uploads. Okay, let's get started. So at first you will need a paper. I'm using a Cartridge paper sketchbook. Next you need is a compass for drawing the circles, and then some pencil, marker and pen to draw the designs. So on your paper, start to draw half circle with the compass you have. When drawing a mandala, just remember this. The more the number of the concentric circles you have, the more symmetric your design will be. Now I am going to divide the circle into segments using a ruler. As I am drawing a floral mandala, I will draw the flower at first and then I will add details to the mandala. So I will start drawing the outlines of the flower with the pencil, then add details with a fineliner pen. Once you have drawn the flower, you can start adding patterns inside the mandala. And always remember, you should start from the inside to the outside. That means from the center to the outermost circle. So I have drawn the basic shapes at first, and now I am going to use some patterns to fill these shapes. You can see that I have used petals, triangles, circles, spirals and lines of different sizes. So you don't have to be so much conscious while drawing a mandala. You can use any shape you feel like. Well, I prefer to add some solid filler to the basic shapes because I think it gives the drawing a certain level of depth. So this is it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.